In this demonstration, we'll have 4 different examples of swept volume. First, what we want to do is take a look at this particular block that has a sketch curves that define the tool paths of this removing of this material. Once we selected that, we see that the material is removed. Let's go ahead and hide this first tool and then display another tool that is on the edge of this particular block. Now what we want to do is select the edge when we go along the path, and along also the inside of the material which is removed. Once that is done, we see that the results is displayed, and then we see that there is a kind of like a scallop where we have a step over, did not quite cleanly remove the material, so we need to do a better job doing that. The next example is that we will have a incline surface where we have a tool path that has been defined on that incline surface. So let's go and select that. We see that from the side view of that, we see that this particular tool is going above along with that concave surface, if you will, to remove that material. The following example is where we have a particular tool that go along the inside of this curve on the inside block. We see that we have parallel or normal to the path. Let's go ahead and use normal to the path. You see that a particular vector basically showing that how the tools is following along that particular vector. Now I want to change a lock direction. We want to pick the vertical one. Once we selected that, you see that now how that is based on that, and as it come around, swerve around, is facing outward as it come around, going all around. Okay, let's take a look at the last example. This particular example, we see that particular tool, we have a cubic log curve pitch type, and then we want to go ahead and use swept volume to remove the material. We go ahead and select the locked direction. We want to go along this particular cylindrical move, and then once we select tool paths and then grab onto the curve, and then now you see that the material is removed. We'll go and hide both the curves and the tool body and see how that is created, that cutout for us. This concludes our demonstration of swept